How did you get the name of Jessica Francisco? Answer.
Ms. Maslog.
Sir, like what I said, sir, there is still a case and to be heard on the 28th and on 29th of October, sir.
What? Okay. Marian
Yes,
Maslog,
1990s.
kilala mo ba si Alice Go?
Sir, I know of Alice Go.
Could I add to the question of SP Pro Tempore? Ever mo ba na-meet si Guo Huaping?
Yes, ma'am.
You have.
I have.
Ano yung mga circumstansya ng pag-meet nyo sa kanya? So you know her, not just know of her. Kasi paano kayo nag-meet?
Well, I met Miss Alice. The first time I met Miss Alice was in Indonesia
Mhm.
through a video.
Through a video.
Yes, ma'am.
Bakit mo siya na-meet through a video sa Indonesia? And why were you there?
Can I go back to how I went to Indonesia po?
Okay, kung context yun ng how you met Guo Huaping.
Prior to few months or weeks prior to going to Indonesia, I was tapped to possibly talk to Alice,
Tapped by?
PNP, if it's possible to, because
Are
she
you a
was
member of
supposed-
Who is
PNP?
PNP, Madam Chair? PNP in particular.
Senator De La Rosa.
PNP in particular. Sino?
the intelligence group, sir.
Sino? Name.
Sir, it's the IG group, sir.
IG Group.
Yes.
Huh? But I have an information. na-
So,
Member ba kayo
give us
ng
the name.
member
Give us
ba
the
kayo
name.
ng PNP-IG?
no, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
But
So, anong
we've
pangalan?
been waiting. Who is it?
S- General Macapas po.
Makapas?
General Macapas. So why?
Paano nyo na-meet si si Guo Huaping through General Macapas in
No,
Indonesia?
I did not meet Alice through General Macapas.
So,
I was informed.
How did you meet her?
I was tapped po kasi they know that I am a friend of Mayor Kalugay.
okay, friend kayo ni Mayor Kalugay.
Yes.
How
And
are you a friend of Mayor Kalugay?
I've met Mayor Kalugay 2022 through
How?
Dante Katabay.
Dante Katabay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Okay, how did
Madam
you...
Chair. Madam Chair.
Yes,
Rowan,
Senator De La Rosa.
Can you confirm that? Mayor
Yes.
Kalugay? Mayor Kalugay? Can you confirm that? Kilala kayo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senator De La Rosa. Salamat kayo. So, okay, so you met Mayor Kalugay through Dante Katabay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, baka gusto pa namin i-pursue yan, but continue muna. Paano mo na-meet si Guo Huaping at anong papel ni General Macapas?
No, they were just requesting if it is possible po kaya na kasi there was a talk na mag-surrender po si Miss Alice.
Who's
So, so ang nangyari
Who's
po,
talk that she would
then,
surrender?
meron pong mga sa newspaper na magsusurrender po si Miss Alice. So meron na po kasing lumabas that time na warrant from your office.
From the Senate.
From the Senate po.
Mhm.
So, I talked to Mayor Kalugay if there is a way for him to contact Miss Alice.
Bakit mo naisip na through Mayor Kalugay makokontak mo si Guo Huaping? Anong pagkaalam mo sa ugnayan nila?
Sa pool.
Are they business partners, for example?
I don't think so.
Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship.
Told
Oh.
by?
Kasi po,
What kind of a relationship?
ang pagkakaalam ko po, sir, but I've never seen them together. But I will tell you, ang pagkakaalam ko po, that naging mag-on po sila. That's it.
Okay, so that's why you asked Mayor Kalugay paano kontakin si Guo Huaping.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
kinikilig to si Alice Go. Kita mo.
Natatawa pa
Guo
po yung
Huaping.
She's squirming on
Okay.
her.
Okay, sandali lang. You're not yet recognized to speak at this moment. So, Miss Maslog, after nagtanong kayo kay Mayor Kalugay, paano nyo kinontak si Guo Huaping?
Actually po, in fairness to Mayor Kalugay, he said po he does not want to involve himself.
Okay,
And
so
he
paano nyo
has no
finally
way-
na-contact
He
si
said
Guo
po
Huaping?
he has no way of contacting Alice.
So, paano nyo siya na-contact?
So what happened po was so we backtrack and
Madam Chair. Madam Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Gusto ko lang maklaro, Madam Chair. Paano ka nakapasok sa eksena? Were you the one who volunteered to General Macapas or Macapas approached you? Which is which?
aware po kasi sila na magkaibigan po kami ni Mayor Kalugay. That is the only reason po.
So, you mean to say, si General Macapas ang kumontak sa'yo na tulungan mo kami na mapasurrender si Alice Go?
Yes, sir.
Siya ang...
We are actually, sir, I don't know how to explain it. Kasi meron na nga pong warrant during the time po, sir.
Hindi. Ang tanong ko is, yung paano nag-start ito? Ikaw bang pumunta kay Macapas, nag-volunteer ka, or si Macapas pumunta sa'yo para humingi ng tulong sa'yo?
I wouldn't say they were asking for help. They were just saying po na if it is possible to contact the good mayor. If
Ikaw,
he knows
klaruhin natin,
po-
ikaw ang nilapitan ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Why in the world? Bakit ikaw pinunta ni Macapas?
No, sir, it is like what I said po, sir. They are aware of my friendship with the mayor.
So, meaning to say, matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas, ha?
Yes.
So, nilapitan ka niya para tumulong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Salamat
if I can,
kayo,
I just-
Senator
I
De
just-
La Rosa.
Sorry,
Senator
sorry,
Joel.
Madam Chair, because I'm not buying a lot of lies here. We have heard too much lies, Madam Chair. You were saying you were tapped by General Macapas. Why were you tapped by General Macapas? Do you have any extraordinary powers, skills? Bakit ikaw?
Like what I said, Your Honor, thank you for that question. It is because only they are very aware of my friendship with the mayor.
This is not Miss Universe, Miss Mary Ann Maslog. This is not Miss Universe. They can go straight to
Di kaya ang unique na sitwasyon mo because meron kang kaso na textbook scam, kaya ka ginamit at ikaw no choice ka dahil parang hostage ka ng gobyerno dahil may kaso ka ng textbook scam. Kung hindi ka magpapagamit, tapos ka. O see that? Hindi nag-materialize ngayon. Ano? Huli ka. Huli ka, di ba? Huli ka ngayon.
In fairness to General Macapas po, he knows me as Jessica Francisco.
Okay. Did you visit Alice Go doon sa detention niya sa dito muna.
Senator De La Rosa, if I may, backtrack ng konti.
Backtrack ko.
Opo. Paano kayo nag-usap ni Guo Huaping sa Indonesia? Video call ba yon? O sino nag-arrange nun? Paano kayo nag-usap?
Your Honor, I went to Indonesia 2 times. The first time po kasi was there was a talk that Alice is ready to surrender.
Okay.
So ano
Kaya po-
pakialam mo dun? Punta kayo Indonesia para kausapin si Alice ko. Hindi talaga, ano pa talaga pakialam mo dun?
Oo nga eh.
Ha?
Kanina, tinanong ko rin, PNPIG member ba kayo?
CIA ka ba?
Hindi rin.
Remember ha, kahit na
Senator
nakakulong
De La
ka,
Rosa.
you are under oath. Ha?
Yes.
You do not make up stories here.
I'm not
Madali kang
making up
mahuli dito.
stories, sir.
Kaya nga, bakit nag-iisip ka nga? Oh, ang tagal mo mag-isip. Simple question coming from Senator Joel Villanueva o ni si Senator Jingo Estrada. Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia para kausapin si Go Huaping? Anong papel mo? Sige.
Madam Chair, this
You
has,
convince us.
Senator Sherwin.
this has no connection to your chair. Just to remind the body, itong taong to, 26 years ago, nagnakaw ng 24 million, nagpanggap ng namatay para hindi siya makulong, tumakas sa Amerika, at ngayon bumalik dito, at bigla nilang himala, gustong tumulong. Dapat maalala natin na kung buhay pa ito, nakakulong na ho ngayon, 26 years ago.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na?
Pro tempore.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na? Para matakasan mo yung kaso, ganun ba? Yun na sigurong solusyon. Nagpanggap na patay ka na. Sagot. Come on. The answer.
Ms. Maslog.
That case still pending, sir, in Sandigan Bayan, sir.
While you are considering or reconsidering your answers to us, so Attorney David, based din sa sinabi ni Ms. Maslog, alam nyo at that time na Go Huaping was out of the country already kasi nag-uusap kayo nagsusubok kayo ni Ms. Maslog, kumbinsihin siyang surrender. Please come to the mic, Attorney.
No, your Madam Chair, hindi po. Nalaman ko lang ho nung nahuli yung dalawa.
Nung nahuli sina Cassandra Leong at Sheila Guo.
Yes, yes. Ma'am.
So before that was when Ms. Maslog was supposedly together with you convincing Guo Huaping to
Yeah, because
surrender.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Madam Chair. Because she was coordinating with me and I was also coordinating with her for the surrender. Kasi si Alice wanted to surrender even during those days pa. Pero takot nga because of the threat. So, fortunately, they came to me. So, yun, there was a negotiation for the surrender. Until I learned that, yun na nga, sabi niya ni Madam Jessica, na nasa, ibang bansa, hindi ko maalala kung saan, but na-intercept na yung dalawa. So, I called her. Is it true na-intercept? Yun, kaya sabi ko, kung talagang nalaman ko for the first time, nasa abroad sila.
Madam Chair, if I may lang,
Senator Joel.
just on that, attorney,
Attorney,
sorry,
please.
why were you trusting her? Why were you talking to her?
Well, as mentioned by her, she was with top brass of the PNP. How can I not trust her?
Top brass. Sabi niya
did you know her
PNP
before?
IG.
Did you know her before?
No,
Yes, we
no,
protect
Your
her.
Honor. I met her during the. They came to me.
Nung nagka-problema na.
They came to me and they wanted to negotiate with the surrender of Alice, Mayor Alice.
So you, according to the question of Senator Villanueva, did you trust her? Naniniwala ka kagad?
I trusted her because she was with top PNP brass.
Yung sinasabi niya si General Makaspak?
Yes.
Makapas.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
So she's with him, with General Makapas when he talked
Yes,
when
yes,
they
sir.
talked to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wow.
So, Miss Jessica, can you complete the story? Paano mo nakausap si Guo Huaping dun na sa Indonesia?
Actually, it's on the second, na po, yung nahuli na po si Miss Alice. And
So, paano nangyari?
I really would like to request for an executive session.
Madam,
No.
executive sessions are for matters of national security. You're in this deep already sa pag-narrate nyo sa amin. You might as well not, huwag nyong paiksian yung PC ng mga miyembro ko sa komiteng ito, buuin nyo na yung kwento nyo. Dahil kayo naman po nagsimulang magsabi that on the second trip, you were able to talk to Guo Huaping.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kompletuhin nyo na kasi
Okay, Your Honor.
pag napitin, mas nakakagalit.
Okay, Your Honor. On the first time po na nandoon kami, no, we were not able to see Miss Alice go. So hindi po siya nag-surrender. There was no communication. of
Anong
Alice.
petsa yon?
I cannot remember. po,
Was
Your-
that August also? Was that July?
That was few days, I think few days prior to, ano po, yung, I cannot remember, Your Honor. I can
Few
check
days
on-
prior to what?
Doon, no, after pala po, the first time, if I remember right, was, nung nahuli pala yung magkapatid po.
Sina Sheila Guo at
Yes.
Cassandra Leong.
Yes po.
And
That was
then-
the first, no. The second was a week after po.
A week after.
Nung nahuli na po si Alice.
But before siya nahuli or after siya nahuli?
That was that day na nahuli po siya.
Okay, so paano nangyari?
I got a call po. I got a text from Indonesia po na
Who
mahuli
texted you from Indonesia?
yung ano po, yung sa tawag nito, yung
Ano?
in charge po, yung nakahuli po kay ano.
What?
kay-
Sino?
An Indonesian law enforcement officer texted you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Really? Are you kidding?
Sa bayang bigkasan
Alam
na
mo,
tayo,
alam mo.
SP Pro Tempore.
Alam mo, Marian, mas sinungaling ka pa rito kay Alice Go eh.
Sir, I can show you the text message.
Okay, show it to us.
Show us the
I
text.
don't have the phone, sir.
So how did you have direct communications with not just Filipino, with an Indonesian law
Because,
enforcement
because
officer?
we were there the first time nga po eh.
And how did you establish that contact with the Indonesian law enforcement?
I was with
authorities.
IG po when I went there to get, nandoon po yung mga pulis din po ng Indonesia.
So IG, you're claiming that PNP IG introduced you and Indonesian police to each other?
It wasn't an introduction po. Magkasama lang po kami during the time.
But magkasama
Doon po
kayo
kami nagkakilala po.
and you exchange numbers.
Yes po.
Madam,
So you had that communication line. Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I was a former chief of staff of IG. I became the deputy director for operations of intelligence group, IG. I became a deputy director for administration of intelligence group. How come in the world na nahuli na si Alice Go doon? Kaya kailangan ka pa dalhin ni Makapas doon sa Indonesia para kumbinsihin si Alice Go? I don't see any logic. Wala ako nakikitang intelligence value sa presensya mo, sa papel mo doon. Bakit ang IG gagamitin ka? Huli na siya eh. Huli na siya. Bakit ka kasama sa IG? Wala akong nakitang intelligence value sa'yo. Siguro ang intelligence value sa'yo kung magamit ka for any other reasons na pwede kang gamitin.
Your Honor, the instructions po is this.
Sino ang nagbigay ng instructions?
Sa PNP po,
Sino?
si General Macapas po,
Anong instructions niya?
na sana umuwi that she will, kung pwede siya kausapin, na
Oo, yun na. Huli ka. That she will at kung pwede siyang kausapin. Alam mo,
no, that's
matagal
what
na
I'm saying.
akong pulis. Ikaw, sinungaling ka.
No.
Napakasinungaling mo. Gumagawa ka ng istorya ngayon. Meron kang tinatago. Hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session hall ito kahit na hawak ka na ng NBI. Tilio, hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session hall ito.
Sige.
Kung hindi ka
Madam
magsabi
Chair.
ng totoo.
Sige.
Yun
Sige,
na
tuloy
nga
mo-
po.
SP Pro Tempore.
Tuloy mo yung kwento mo. She
Oh.
will what?
That kung pwede po, that she will surrender to PNP.
Miss Maslog, baliktad na yung sequence of events. Sinabi na ni Senator De La Rosa, at the time of your second trip para kausapin si Guo Huaping, arestado na siya. No
Yes, Your
choice na siya na bumalik dito, which is what happened. So wala nang kayong mission na pa-surrenderin siya kasi huli na nga siya. So ano yung agenda nyo sa pagkausap sa kanya?
Actually po, Miss Go Waping and Alice Go po, you can ask po. She has a lawyer po doon sa Indonesia.
Just a
and-
minute, before you continue, Ms. Maslog, about the lawyer in Indonesia, General Macapas will be joining us online. So we will be able to fact check with him this amazing story. Please continue.
If I
Senator
may
Joe.
also just put into the records, no, the Senate already gave time in 2000 and 2000 in year 2000. In year 2000, and the Senate found her liable. The same person, Madam Chair, Mary Ann Maslog. The Senate found her liable for false testimony, corruption of public officials, punishable under the revised penal code, violation of the anti-graft law, violation of Presidential Decree number 46, which makes it punishable for private persons to give gifts to government officials and employees on any occasion, falsification of public document, and tax evasion. So, Madam Chair, hindi ko alam kung we need to give more time to this rascal, Madam Chair.
Thank you,
Madam Chair.
Senator Joel. Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I don't know how to deal with this kind of resource person, pero alam mo, I suspect nandoon ka, pupunta ka sa Indonesia because somebody is using you for an irregular operation. Kang lingo-lingo dyan. I am sure. Somebody is using you. I suspect. Ano? Ano masasabi mo ngayon?
Ms.
No,
Maslog.
Ha?
No, Your Honor.
No?
No, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Huwag mo ako lukuhin. Huwag mo ako lukuhin.
I am not, Your Honor.
I have the goods against you. I have the goods against you. But, Madam
Yeah.
Chair, next, I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I tell you, I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I am sure about it. I will pin you down. Huwag mong gamitin yung pagkamaro mo. Kung dumaan ka na, namatay ka na noon at ngayon bigla kang nabuhay at ngayon ginagamit ka for irregular operations against us. You cannot, hindi ka makakalusot sa akin. I tell you. I tell you. Madam Chair, thank you.
Madam Chair.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. Before I call the SP pro tempore, I have confirmation na pumunta ngang Indonesia si Ms. Maslog. But I will wait for that officially on the record from the BI. SP, sorry,
Just
if I may,
quickly,
Senator Sherwin and
sino
then.
nagbayad ng ticket mo, Miss Maslog? Sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung una at sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung pangalawa? At tumira ka ba doon sa Indonesia? Sino nagbayad ng hotel mo?
We only stayed there, sir, for 1 day, sir.
Balikan.
2 days po. 2 days. Opo.
So sino nagbayad ng ticket mo?
I-refund po ng ano po, ng government.
Sinong government? Sinong government?
The government, di ka mga
Alam mo,
Philippine
Hirap.
government?
hirap nga ang IG magpadala ng ahente pupunta sa ibang bansa. Ikaw pa na you are not a part of IG, hindi ka organic ng IG, kagastusan ka ng IG. Kaya the more kami nagsususpek na meron ka talagang ibang pakay doon. Meron kang iba. Ha? Madam Chair,
Yeah.
Madam Chair, can I move forward for a while? A little bit.
You certainly may, Senator De La Rosa. But
Mayroon
before-
akong information na bumisita ka doon sa kulungan ni Alice Go dito sa Pilipinas. Bumisita ka?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
2 times.
Anong purpose mo doon?
First, sir, tinatanong ko po siya sa mga statement po na ginawa po niya, sir.
May ginawa siyang statement?
No, not a statement. But I'm saying we were talking about ano po sa kanya yung
Sinungaling.
how do you say it, yung kung ano po ang nangyari sa kanya.
Ano ang pakialam mo sa kanya?
Speaker pro tempore.
Klaruhin ko na lang sa'yo, ha? Ha? For the record, meron kong informasyon, ha? Na you are being used para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magtuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bongo, si Senator Bato, si General si IDG, General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Ha? Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam kong informasyon na yan. Is that correct?
No,
Anong
sir.
purpose mo? Bakit ka pupunta doon kay Alice Go? 2 beses ka pumunta. Anong purpose mo doon? Be, sige.
At sino kasama mo?
Like what I said, sir, ang kasama ko po pagpunta doon sa Indonesia ay IG po.
Ang
We have
tinatanong ni
General Macapas online
Sen.
to
Bato,
cross-check.
sino ang kasama mo pumunta sa kulungan ni Alice Go? Yun ang tanong ko.
Ako lang po tsaka ang si attorney po.
Hindi ka papapasukin doon na ikaw lang.
Alam mo, galing ako dyan eh.
Tuktok mo.
Galing ako dyan sa custodial eh. Mahirap makapasok dyan. At sino ka para makapasok doon? Ang makakapasok lang doon, abogado, pare, kamag-anak, doktor.
O opisyal.
Ikaw, ano relasyon mo sa kanya? Doktor ka ba?
No, sir.
Pari ka ba? O ano ka ba?
No, sir.
O ano?
I don't have a
Abogado ka ba?
No, sir.
O paano ka nakapasok? Who initiated the meeting? And how did you enter the custodial center?
The first time po na pumasok po kami doon, I was still with IG po.
So at this point, I think we should ask General Macapas dahil online na sila. We need to fact check so many of these things na sinasabi ni Ms. Maslog. General Macapas, online na po kayo, nakikita namin kayo. Pwede nyo pong buksan yung audio ninyo so we can hear you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Your Honor.
General. General, hindi pa kayo nakapagsumpa, no? Dito sa hearing namin.
Yes, Your Honor. Wala pa po.
Okay, Comsec, pakipasumpain si General.
Sir, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name,
I, Police Brigadier General Romeo Juan Macapas,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will tell the truth,
that I will tell the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth
and nothing but the truth
to this committee.
to this committee.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat, Comsec. Salamat, General. General, ang dami po naming naririnig na parang hindi talaga kapanipaniwala. And I hope that you will be the one to help us set the record straight kasi nababaluktot na yata talaga yung storya. Bakit nyo po ni-recruit, isinama si Ms. Maslog para makatawid kay Guo Huaping?
Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon sa lahat po. Marami pong salamat.
Yes, sir. So bakit kinailangan nyo pa si Ms. Maslog para lang tumawid kay Guo Huaping? Sir, are you still online?
IG ka talaga, Macapas ha. Nawawala ka.
Nag-iisip din yan.
General Macapas? Please come back online soonest. Ang dami pong mga tanong para sa inyo. Are there any other questions for Ms. Maslog or have we used up our patience
Madam
with this
Chair,
resource
if
person?
I
Senator
may,
Joel.
as much as I wanted to ask this resource person, Madam Chair, I'd rather ask someone else.
Yes, Senator Joel. I think
Nauubos
General
yung
Macapas
pasensya
is
ko.
online.
Yeah, if General Macapas is there, we can get
General?
back to him. Yes, I'll
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry,
Salamat.
naputol po.
Yes, sir. So, you're back online po. So, yun yung unang tanong po namin. Bakit kinailangan nyo pang isama si Miss Maslog para makakontakt kay Guo Huaping? Not once, but twice sa Indonesia pa.
Ganito po ma'am ang nangyayari diyan.
Opo.
No, habang hinahabol namin si Alice Go, nag-volunteer si Ma'am Jessica.
Paano siya nag-volunteer, sir?
Dahil ano naman nung nagkakilala kami ni Ma'am Jessica 2002,
Paano po?
still the saya of our DCO. Pumunta siya sa opisina na bumisita sa boss ko. Boss ko po ay busy.
Sino?
So ako ang kinausap niya. Then that time, palagi na siyang may finifeed na mga informasyon sa akin. So
Over the
Yun
past
naman.
22 years,
no
since
ma'am,
2002.
no ma'am, 2022.
2022, okay,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
past 2 years.
The past 2 years ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Tapos po,
So nung nangyari itong kay kay Your Honors, yung itong kay Alice Guo, nag-volunteer siya na may access siya kay Attorney David.
teka, nag-volunteer si Miss Maslog na
May connect siya kay Attorney
may
David.
contact siya kay Attorney David.
Yes ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit niyo
Madam Chair, before you continue,
Yes, Senator De La
it
Rosa.
is very clear that Mary Ann Maslog is lying before this committee. Sabi niya kanina na siya daw ay in-approach ni General Macapas. Ngayon si General Macapas ang nagsasabi na si
Ang
Mary Ann Maslog
nag-volunteer.
ang pumunta sa kanya nag-volunteer. So with that, Madam Chair, I move that this Miss Mary Ann Maslog be cited in contempt. Kanino tayo maniwala? Sa isang textbook scammer o itong general, one-star general? Kanino tayo maniwala? So I move that she be cited in contempt.
So
Before we
motion that Mary Ann Maslog be cited in contempt.
Second.
Second the motion,
Second.
Madam Chair.
Duly seconded. So
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, colleagues.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. So Ms. Maslog, you are cited in contempt by the Senate Committee.
Your Honor,
General Macapas, so kayo po yung pinaniniwalaan namin dito na
Yes.
nag-volunteer si Ms. Maslog sa inyo dahil meron daw siyang contact kay Attorney David.
yes.
Bakit naman po tinanggap o pinaunlakan yung pag-volunteer niya?
That time hinahabol natin si Alice Guo, Your Honors. So wala kaming naka-blank pool kami. Nung sinabi niyang yung abogado ay may contact siya, we were hoping na may direct contact na siya doon. Sinasabi na si Alice ay willing to surrender.
Paano
So-
alam yan ni Ms. Maslog na willing to surrender si Guo Huaping?
From attorney, yung abogado niya,
From Attorney
abogado
David.
niya, Your Honors.
Tapos, anong sumunod na nangyari? Bakit nakasabay pa si Ms. Maslog sa mga further steps ng law enforcement ng PNP?
So ganito po ang nangyari, Your Honors. Let me, if you allow me to continue.
Yes, please.
Yung first meeting namin was somewhere here in Quezon City sa restaurant. Kausap ko si attorney, pati may isa pang kasamang, I think abogado rin yun, na may
Kailan po yun?
Early April, I think.
Early April.
Yes,
Summer,
nakalimutan ko yung
okay.
specific. Before itong issue ni Alice. So, yun na yung initial na steps, pero hindi nangyayari na nag-surrender nga si Alice. Instead, lumabas po sila papuntang labas ng bansa.
Yes.
So from there, kasi naalaman namin na nag-book sila ng flight pabalik ng Pilipinas, that's why we coordinated immediately doon sa BI. So,
Pero yun yung flight nila na hindi natuloy pabalik.
yes po, nag-book
And
sila
then?
ng flight pabalik na walang sumakay.
Mhm.
So from there, nag-coordinate kami sa counterparts namin sa Singapore.
Mhm.
So from there, na-trace natin kung saan sila nakatira sa Singapore. At lahat ng movement na subaybayan na namin through our counterparts.
Mhm.
So hanggang nahuli nga po yun, the first time na nandun sila sa Singapore, nung nahuli si Alice pati si Cassandra,
You mean si Cassandra at
Cassie
si
pati si
Sheila?
Cassandra, pumunta
Sheila
kami
po.
doon para sabi sa akin, the same thing ni Ma'am Jessica, na mag-surrender na nga po.
Sa
However,
Indonesia po yon.
yes
na
po, sa
nahuli
Indonesia
sila.
kami pumunta.
Anong
However,
nangyari?
nung nandun po kami, Your Honors, hindi po siya nagpakita sa amin.
Mhm.
So instead na magtira kami doon ng matagal, nag-iwan po ako ng sulat kay Colonel Udry ng Indonesia
Mhm.
na if and when ma-intercept nila, bibigyan nila tayo i-notify nila tayo nang sa ganun makuha natin si Alice.
And on that first trip po, sinama nyo pa rin talaga si Miss Maslog.
Siya po kasi yung connect, ma'am. Your
Siya yung
Honors.
connect.
Siya
Quick
po yung connect
question lang.
initially kasi
Opo, please stand by, County General. Quick question kay Mayor Kalugay. IG din po kayo dati, di ba, Mayor?
Opo, Ma'am Chair.
Magkakilala po kayo ni General Macapaz?
Hindi na po,
Hindi.
Your Honor.
So, kayo ba yung nag-coordinate nitong trip ni na Miss Maslog, General Macapaz para kontakin si Guo Huaping doon sa Indonesia?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
General Macapaz, kilala niyo po ba si Mayor Kalugay?
hindi po.
IG din po siya dati.
Personally, Your Honors, hindi ko po siya kilala. At
Hindi personally.
nalaman ko lang po na dati siyang IG
Mm.
noong pumutok na po itong issue with Alice Guo.
Okay. So, yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Thank you, Madam Chair. General, bakit mo masyadong pinagkakatiwalaan tong si Marian Maslog?
Yes, sir. Kasi po, from her statement, may direct contact siya kay attorney ng hinahanap natin. So, we believe na positibo yung ibibigay niya na informasyon dahil may abogado siyang kausap. Ang kausap niyang abogado po ay abogado mismo ng hinahanap natin.
So dahil doon nagtiwala ka na kaagad dito sa kay Marian Maslog. Tama?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yung una naming punta.
Ang sabi ni Marian Maslog, ang pagkakilala mo raw sa kanya ay si Jessica Francisco. Hindi mo raw siya kilala as Marian Maslog. Tama ba?
Yes, sir. Ang pagkakilala ko po sa kanya ay Dr. Jessica Francisco.
Doktor?
Yes po.
Kaya ka pala nakakapasok sa custodial dahil doktor ang panggap mo?
Doktora po. Doktora, hindi po medical doctor, sir.
Ano?
PhD.
PhD. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
PhD ka ba, Marian?
Miss Maslog.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, PhD saan? Pagkasinungaling?
Clinical
Ha? Sa?
PhD sa
clinical psychology po.
Clinical
psychology.
psychologist. Oh. Oh, General. So
Yes, sir.
yung pangalawang nakasama ka rin sa Indonesia no first trip. Kasama mo si Marian Maslog.
Yes, sir. We were together during the first trip.
Okay. Were you able to talk to Alice Go?
Hindi po, sir. Hindi po namin nakausap si Miss Guo the first time.
Sino nakausap niyo ron sa Indonesia nung pumunta kayo no first trip?
Indonesian police po.
Indonesian police.
Yes, sir.
What were you talking about? You whereabouts ni Alice Go?
Yes po. Opo.
Who authorized you to go there to Indonesia?
We were authorized by our secretary DILG po dahil hinahanap na po namin.
Secretary Abalos.
Opo.
So
Meron
the
po
first trip wala nangyari sa inyo.
Yes, sir. Hindi po nagpakita sa amin.
Okay. Kailan kayo bumalik?
If I may interject muna, SP Pro Temp. Nung first trip nyo doon, General, pinakilala nyo ba talaga si Miss Maslog at yung Indonesian police sa isa't isa?
Yes, we introduced her to our counterparts